Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a tray. It's going to be a steampunk / galaxy type of tray. So I got these gears here, just got them from Temu, and I also got some cute little keys. So I'll just tip those out. Now first step is to pour in some clear. Make sure it's clean. I can see something on there, which I thought it was clean. Let's get some tape and get rid of that. Okay, that'll do. So first step, I have mixed up. I'm not going to be filling the whole thing in one go, so this is a two-step process. So I've got 80 mils here, so I'm going to fill up the rim and about a third of the way up from this bit here to the top. Just enough to cover the gears really. So I spray that with alcohol. Get that all down in the gap there. Okay, right, let's pour this in. Okay, that's pretty much covered. Okay, now next step, I'm going to be putting these gears and keys straight in. What I'll do is I'll dunk them first in the resin. I always like to dunk whatever I'm putting in the resin first. I seem to get less bubbles if I do that. And there's my other key. This key is pretty cool. It's got a, I think it's a, oh, I thought it was a skull and crossbones. I actually don't know what that is. It's not. Never mind. It's still cool. Alright, press those down. Okay, so now we'll just arrange them how you want really. Just play and see what you like. I might put that big one right on the bottom. Let's put them right in the middle. And then we'll just start putting some little ones, I think, in the bottom first. Turn that over. Okay. And just mix the colours around a bit so you don't have all the same in one area, of course. And also I'm going to lay them on top of each other as well. I need a brass one for over there. And then I'll pop a silver one on top. Okay, what else? Shiny gold one. Sort of try and make them look like they're joining in a way like a machine would work, cogs would work. If that makes any sense. Okay, where to now? Put one of these. Put them on top. And I don't mind if it goes over that edge. Really? I don't think it's going to matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. And another gold one over here probably. Might do a little one first. And put the gold balanced. Actually no, I'm going to put the gold one over here. Put this one there. Get away, bubble. Okay, is that enough? I want a little bit of space left in between. That one's on a bit of a, just rest them on that key as well. No, I'm going to stay there. Oh, he can go by himself. So I'm going to move this one from right on top of those. Okay, got a space there and a space there. Okay, that's it. No more mucking around. I've got lots of bubbles coming up, so give that a spray. Now just leave that to cure, and then I will show you the next step, how I'm going to get the galaxy look as well. Okay, now it's time to do the galaxy part of this tray. I've got these two colours here of the chameleon powders. So this one sort of shifts between purple and green. And this is sort of a blue to purple. It's not showing up very well in the camera, but it is a lot brighter than what it looks there. So let's start off with number one. I'm not brushing this on. What I'm doing is I'm just letting the chameleon powder fall off the end of my brush from a height. And just randomly like so. So that's enough of that colour. We don't want too much on there, you just want a little bit randomly here and there. Okay, next one. Okay, it's probably enough. Number 7, so that was that one and that one, and I might just put a little bit, no, it was these two. I might just put a tiny bit of this one here. It's got a bit of a gold hue to it. Just a couple of places. Yep, that's it. Okay, that's it. So they can just stay like that, and then I will top that with black when I next mix up some black. So I will see you in a couple of seconds. Might be a day or two for me though. Okay, just fill this up with black. Okay, let's demold this. Okay. Wow, that's cool. That's excellent. What do you guys reckon? So that's my steampunk slash galaxy type tray. Probably if I do it again, if I'm critical, less chameleon powder, just a tiny bit. But yeah, that's cool. If you turn it sideways, they change colour a little bit. It goes from blue to purple and green. What do you guys think of that one? Just something a bit different, isn't it? Yeah, less chameleon powder, I reckon. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments. That's what I think anyway. But otherwise, it's pretty cool. There's no bubbles. Smooth as. Just need to probably run a debarring tool around the edge. It's a little bit sharp there, but no, that's it. Okay, Steampunk Galaxy Tray. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.